Heavy sigh. Julia Child is costing me money. Here's my stove. It's pulled out from the wall temporarily. Last week when I tried to make Julia Child's French omelette in our Vision skillet, I used the heat spreader, spilled some egg on the heat spreader, and it was smoking, and I flipped the heat spreader and I also flipped the burner off. Since then, I turn the power on, this starts to buzz and gets really hot really fast. So there are two issues. It's either the coils, I damaged the coils, or I ruined the switch. When I was looking at replacement coils, man, there are a lot of reviews for how horrible these coils are, even ones that are supposed to be original replacements. Long story short is, we're going to try to replace this first, hoping that it's not the coils. And I'm going to replace this one because it's old. It's probably the one I use the most, the little burner in the front. I bought two replacement switches. Both of them cost about $38. Let's get this over with. It's Friday morning. I hate this. The hardest part so far is that the power cord is short, and I had a lot of trouble getting behind the stove to unplug it. We have to take off this whole panel. Let's take off the first screw. At least it comes out easy. Don't lose them. Frickin' stove! I can't afford to have someone come in. You have to be careful with this old metal because it can cut you. This is the last screw. And ta-da! Probably wouldn't hurt to wear gloves. Fortunately, these are color-coded. Orange and black. Orange, black. So you can't mess that up. Make sure you've unplugged it from the wall. Orange. You should just be able to replace them in order. We'll do one at a time. Purple wire. One at a time. Alright, that was tough to get off, that one. Alright, that's two. Let's go white first. Okay. White. Black. That came off easy. Good. Black and red. There you go. Okay. You do one at a time, you can't mess up. Make sure they're on securely. It goes back in the hole. Reattach it from the other side. Okay, that's one. We'll tighten them up once they're all in. Make sure that screws are tight. I didn't see this coming. That's one. We have now replaced both of them. Black, black. It's two small burners. Black is a small burner. Orange and black. The tough part's going to be getting back behind there and plugging it in. Don't forget to put the backpack on. I almost forgot to do that. In the hole. Don't tighten them all up until they're all in. Most of the way. And we push it back in. If you can get the door off, it really helps because the door is very heavy. Put the knob back on. Let's try the front little one first. Low. Burner's on. It's warming up. It's warming up. Go to 4. We're getting heat. Go to low. See if she's warming up. She's warming up. Go to 2. We're at 2. Yeah, she's getting hot. Slowly. So far, so good. Let's go to 4. Oh, it seems to be working. All right. If it fails, I'll have to buy a replacement coil, but it's warming up. Pretty cool. Thanks for joining me this Friday. Thanks for watching.